Too many algebra students are not making sense of variables and how they interact, which leads to doom and failure. A lot of students even have a hard time remembering that x plus x is equivalent to 2x, right? That multiplication is repeated addition. And so this is the second red flag is a lot of kids think that 2x and x squared somehow represent the same thing, and that's definitely not true. One of the best ways for kids to see this is to just use an actual value and put it in place of the variable. So if I said x was 3, I would just substitute in 3. Now this could be an issue, of course, not recognizing that x squared is equivalent to x times x, but that's another lesson. This is also a great place to use the intersection of algebra and geometry to visually show how x plus x or 2x is very different than x squared. Putting together two x's creates this one-dimensional line that's twice as long as 1x. Here, when you have two x's, it's still just two x's put together in one-dimensional line. Now here with x squared is 2 dimensions, right? The second power, so it becomes a two-dimensional object or a square because x is the same thing. If your student is struggling with these ideas, I would highly suggest trying algebra tiles. Just do a search on Google to check out some videos or them being used in classrooms, because they can really help kids see algebra a lot better than just seeing numbers and variables on paper.